Good morning. This week, we're going to start and finish our project on percents. This is going to take the form of a shopping contest on Souq. I'm sure a lot of you are already familiar with Souq.com. If you're not, it's just an online shopping platform with different departments and so on. All we're going to be doing, or the goal for this project, it's more of a contest, is to pick at least 10 items, so at least 10 different items, and get your total to be as close to £5,000 as possible, and without going over. So this is the condition. If you go over, then you're sort of disqualified. It won't affect your grade, but you'd be disqualified from the contest. Okay? The trick here, or where percents come in, is that each category of items will have a different discount rate, and your total after the discount will be taxed. Okay, and I'll talk more about that throughout this video. So the rules is you have to choose at least 10 different items from 5 different departments. Okay, and then you can always buy more than one of the same item if you want, and this actually helps out later in the contest. And then after you choose your items, you're going to use the discount for each department or category, and you're going to apply it to find the discounted price. So, for example, let's say I scroll down here, you can see all the discounts for each different department. So if I choose to buy a TV, for example, it's going to get a discount of 30%. If I choose to buy windshield wipers for my car, it'll get a discount of 0%. If I choose to buy some shoes, it'll get a discount of 17%, and so on. Now, the winner is going to be anyone who can get their total to be exactly 5,000 EGP or closest. So let's say in your class, no one got 5,000, but you were the closest, then you would be the winner. Now, of course, it has to be accurate. I'm going to be checking each one of your calculations, and so I want you to follow a specific format, but I'll talk about that in the second video. Okay, but of course, you cannot go over 5,000 EGP. Okay, and the winner gets to keep all the merchandise. Everything you put in your cart, you get to keep if you win. Now, in phase 1, you're just going to choose the items. So you're going to go to Souq's website. So I have a link for it here. Find some items that you want to get for yourself or your family. And remember, it has to be at least 10. And then on the table below, list the item name. So not this table, this is discount table. Oh, why is it here? Let's see. But on the table in the last page here, this is the price table. It's set up for you with each column. Please don't change the column names or order. So in phase 1, we're just going to put the item name, the department to which you think it belongs, how many of it you're buying, and the original price per item. Okay? So let me walk you through an example here. Let's say I'm buying a TV. So you can see the departments are up here. They're not exactly the same names, but you can use them to help. So for TV, I would just consider it electronics, since if you go to our discount table here, there's no TV department, but there's an electronics department. So I'm going to find a TV that I like, so I'm going to get a smart TV. They're probably all over 5,000, but this one looks cheaper there. So I'm going to get this one, Context. So this is the item name. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it here, and I'm gonna put it in my table. So my item name is this. Notice how big the font is right now. I don't want that because that's gonna look so messy. So I'm gonna show you a little trick on Google Docs. I'm gonna highlight this piece of text. I'm gonna click Paint Format, and then I'm gonna highlight this text over here. You see what it did? When you do this, when you use Paint Format, it basically changes what you had here to match the exact same format in terms of like font size and font type as the thing I highlighted first. Okay? So this looks better. Which department? I'm going to say electronics. How many? I'm just going to buy 1. And the original price here is $3,299. So 3,299. Don't put any units in the price. The units are already here. Well, let me change it to EGP. Okay, so I don't want you to write 3,299 EGP. In fact, also, please don't put commas. If it's more than 1,000, please don't put commas. That's going to make me grading you a lot harder. So if you don't put any commas, I'll be able to grade you better. So 3,299. Okay, and so on. We're going to list all 10 items. Of course, this is very expensive. You want your total to be after the discount and tax to be 5,000. So I wouldn't necessarily go for things that expensive. But anyways, moving on. So you listed the item name, you add the department which you think it belongs to, which we did already, and list the quantity and the original price, which we did already. So this is all what we're doing in phase 1. Okay? In phase 2 and phase 3, we're going to be adding the discount and adding the tax, and I'm going to make separate videos for each of those. All right? Again, if you look in the left here, you can see an outline. So if you're lost and you want to go to something specific, like phase 1, if you click it, it'll take you there. If you click at the discount table, it'll take you there. Price table, it'll take you there. Okay, so use this outline if you're lost. You can also, if it's not there, I think you can say View and Show Document Outline. If you click on that, it'll show it for you. Okay? Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on Zoom. Bye.